Hey guys, I'm here to show you a project that I've been working on since March, but decided to discontinue and not propose to the PV administration. And basically, what this is it's a PVHS student activity site, and essentially what this website is designed to do is to improve information about each club to give to members that cannot be generalized in one club fair. For example, there's something like this, and there's something like this. And then its account systems is basically like a social networking site, and what it's designed to do is it's designed to improve the communication between advisors and members, and do stuff such as notifications, emails, and event calendars so that there's a better flow of information and there's no one who gets left out in what they receive and what don't. So it will be harder to actually forget about club meetings and it will be harder to suffer from avoid club conflicts. Yes, with the event calendar, it can also avoid club conflicts by notifying the advisor who's in the club, who's in the other clubs, and whether a decision on that day would cause a club conflict with its own members. So let me show you the login screen. This is a place where both the advisor and the members can log in. So I'm gonna log in as a regular member, and this is the interface. It's not really good web design because I haven't even attempt to make it look pretty with all that kind of stuff like CSS and that kind of stuff. But but I've been focusing on making the back end, and so far it's functioning pretty well. This is a news feed for the social networking site, and essentially this is basically where other clubs post on their wall so that its own members can receive news feed on what it wants to say. For example, what a club want to do is just post when's the next meeting or what they mentioned last meeting or important information or notification that they would generally send out in an email or something like that. So, and then you can even post here. For example, I shall respond to the French Club. Hello, this is going on YouTube. There we go. Okay, and there's also the profile tab in which you can view your friend request. You can view your notifications, and you can view your messages. And then there's edit your profile as in yeah, like what town you're from or and all that basic type of stuff. This is the club interface in which you can view on which clubs that you are currently in and which one you should join. And if you click on one of the icons, you can actually see the club's wall. And this is a club member discussion in which club members can discuss on certain aspects of their club and all that kind of stuff. And this is basically where the club advisor will just post. And my sports basically like fill out something. Instead of filling out a form, you can just request to be part of a club, and it will lead you to some kind of stuff where you have to fill out the forms electronically and stuff like that. And then this is the event calendar in which you can see on which a club and which date each meeting is on. And the red basically indicates is that there's a club conflict. So one no club meetings at all, just one club meeting, and then there's clues, therefore a club conflict. Okay, and then there's also the profile. So yeah, this is my wall. You can see my friends, and you can see the clubs I'm in and the leadership positions. Okay, and that okay, and there's so now let's log in as an advisor of a club. So yeah, let's log out. Log out. And then right now we're gonna sign in as the Amnesty Club. Okay, now as the Amnesty Club, we get into a different tab system or interface. So yeah, instead of friend requests, there's membership requests, notifications, and a message system. And we have the event calendar, and this is actually different from the for the members because this is actually more important. This actually allows you to add any event you want. So for example, we click on this day, add event, type in some stuff, and then it will be added to the calendar. And then look at these red boxes. This is actually different. It still detects cloud conflicts, but what this basically does is that it scans its own member list, and then it compares its member list with the member list from other clubs. And then it makes a comparison to see if the member has another meeting at another club at that time. So suppose I would want to fill something out here. We already however, one of our members are in the anime club. One of our members in the Spanish club. And one of these poor people are already having club conflicts. So yeah, it will be too wise to actually plan a date there. But all of these are free, so we should so all of these are free. All of our members don't have anything that day, so we should plan out something here. Okay, now let me show you something else. Okay. And finally, there's this. Basically, there is another part of a website, and it's outside of the account system. Basically, you get to create your own web page within the site. So, this is basically you making your own web page to explain what your club is about. It this encourage, for example, this encourages you to type in something like a paragraph, so that you can attract members, your introduction and hook, and then your body paragraphs that tell you what the club is about. And then you can even record a video and post it on on your web page by uploading it to YouTube and putting your URL here. And this is basically what the project that I made. It was discontinued for reasons. And while I may not make one for PV, it can potentially go to other college students. So whether this project will continue or not, I'm not so sure, but basically this is the whole layout of it.